In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet your own hair scrunchie. Coming up next. Hi, I'm DeEtte, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm so excited to share with you a crochet tutorial that will teach you how to crochet a hair scrunchie. Now, for this tutorial, you will need some yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver, my go-to yarn. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size G. You'll also need some hair elastics and some scissors. Let's get crocheting now. For this project, you will need to know 3 crochet stitches: how to chain, single crochet, and double crochet. Now, if you do not know how to do any of those stitches, it's okay. Down below is links to tutorials that will teach you how to do that. Or just click above and it will take you straight to those tutorials. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and make our crochet hair scrunchie. Okay, rolling up my sleeves just a tad. Oh, one more thing. The pattern for this project is listed in the description below. Okay, so what we're going to do is creating a slip knot. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put 31 single crochets around this hair elastic. And let me show you exactly how we're going to do that. We're going to insert our hook into the hair elastic, pull up on the yarn. You will see 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all of those loops. Okay, and that created our first single crochet. Let's do another one together. Insert your hook into your hair elastic, pull up. 2 loops, 1, 2 are on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops. One more together. Insert your hook into the hair elastic, pull up, 2 loops are on your hook, 1, 2, yarn over, pull through both loops. Now, you're going to continue going around your hair elastic with single crochets, and you're going to stop once you get a total of 31 single crochets. See you when you're done. Now that we have 31 crochet stitches around our hair elastic, we can go ahead and slip stitch into the first crochet stitch. For the second row, chain 2, 1, 2. Now, for each of our stitches, we're going to put 3 double crochets into each stitch. Let's do a few together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain. 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Let's move on to the next chain space and do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull through. 3 loops are on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 double crochet. Let's do 2 more. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain space. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you're going to continue to do this all around your hair elastic. 3 double crochets in each one of your chain spaces. I'll see you once you get to the end. Okay, I have one more set to do. Yarn over, I'm going to insert into my chain space. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip stitch into the beginning of my first chain. Okay, so now let's look at our work. As you can see, the ruffle effect of your scrunchie is beginning to form. We have one more row to do. So let's go ahead and chain up 2. 1, 2. Now we're going to repeat the same thing that we did before. 3 double crochets in each one of our loops that we just created. So yarn over, insert your hook into that next chain space. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3. Okay, now let's move over into our next chain space. Yarn over, insert in, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. All right, let's do one more together. Yarn over, insert into your chain space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3. So what you're going to do is you're going to continue doing your 3 double crochet in each chain space, and I'll meet you right at the very last one. Okay, let's do our last one together. Yarn over, insert into the last chain space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3. Okay, and we're going to slip stitch into the top of your beginning double crochet stitch. Oops. There we go. And we're going to pull up. So as you can see, your hair scrunchie should now be nice and full of ruffles. Let's go ahead and cut off the yarn. And what I'm going to do is the beginning tail, I'm going to go ahead and weave my tails in. Now you can go ahead and use a yarn needle, but I like to use my crochet hook. Here is my completed hair scrunchie. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.